Good morning, good morning, good morning. I would like to take the opportunity this morning to give you a bit of an update and a helmet review. So recently, as you may know, I dropped my Carl Fogarty replica shark helmet. Just happened to roll off my passenger seat or pillion seats while I was straightening my steering up and putting the steering lock on when I was down at the Bideford bike show. So I went out and it didn't do too much damage, but you just never know, and it landed straight onto the top. So my wife wasn't happy with me taking the risk and using it, so she gave me the go-ahead to buy myself a new helmet. So what was I going to do? I was going to buy the new Carl Fogarty replica. Now the Carl Fogarty replica, now let's just get past these a second. The Carl Fogarty replica now is made by LS2 helmets. But anyway, I got this, it was £129 online from Riders. So I ordered it. It was the right thing to do. So what's the helmet got? Well, it's got a built-in visor. It has a vent on the top of the head and a vent on the chin. It's got the chin mesh guard to reduce wind noise. It's got an awful lot of nice cushioning inside, and it is quite comfortable on the cheeks. The position for the vent on the front is a bit weak, and the positioning for the visor switch isn't the best. However, it is what probably most people would consider a budget helmet. I do like the design, however I think Carl Fogarty helmet should have a bit more blue in it, but that's my own opinion. It's probably something to do with maybe the copyright regulations with shark helmets and the colours they used for him. I'm not sure, but I quite like the look of it, even though it's not really the Carl Fogarty colours that sort of I know and love and many other people know and love. The only thing I would say, and there are a couple of negatives, wind noise isn't great. When you're above sort of 60, around 70 miles an hour, and if you are able to go more, then more, the wind noise is quite heavy, quite loud. I know I should probably wear earplugs, but I don't, because I don't like wearing them. I like to be able to hear the surroundings, and many people will disagree and say that that's wrong. I should protect my ears, and I know I should protect my ears. Maybe when it's too late I'll start protecting them, but wind noise isn't great. And the other thing is that I get a little bit of pressure on the forehead, but you know, whether it's the cushioning on the helmet or my own forehead, I'm sure something will give way at some point to make it a bit more comfortable. Now the next problem I had was obviously fitment of my motovlogging equipment. Now the way the chin vent was fitted made it very difficult to actually fit my camera mount safely. I did fit it on the side and then had all the levers and extensions and screws, and the front of my helmet looked like the 4th road bridge. So I decided against that, but what I did was I could actually remove the switch for the front vent, which to be fair I always have closed because of the wind noise that you can get from it. So I always have that closed anyway. So I removed the switch for the chin vent, and then I used, thank you to several motovloggers that actually recommended it to me, a substance called Sugru, which is a moldable plastic type glue, which actually works the treat, and I'll put a photo up to show you how it's fitted. And actually it's a really good mount, keeps it clean at the front. I was able then just to fit the microphone up through the front chin guard into the front of the helmet, and I think it works okay. I think the quality's alright, the angle seems to be right from what I've seen so far. There's been a few videos come out already using this helmet, but I haven't done a review of the helmet as yet because I wanted to have a ride of it first and see what it was like, see how comfortable it was. But yeah, there you go. So the LS2 FF800 Storm Foggy replica for me, gets 3.5 out of 5, which for the price is an excellent score. So that'll do, I think, for me. Stay safe, take care, and I'll catch you on the flip side.